How to configure an item. To configure an item, first click on Create an Estimate, then select the desired product line. Fill in the product details like door width, height, and finish. Then select the desired profiles from the drop-down menu, or click on the image icon to view an image collection of the profiles available. When sufficient information has been entered, the prices configured will show your net price. If you change any details, the prices configured will automatically update. When you are happy with the configuration, click the Save icon to save your configuration. Return back to the main Configure an Item page to select a new product line to configure. Repeat the process of filling in the desired product details and selecting profiles from the drop-down menus or image collection. You can even type in the profile code for quicker results. As before, the prices configured will show when you have completed your configuration and will update live as you change your configuration. Save your configuration and continue on with the next step.